Hi, my name is Jeanne. I'm a fiber artist. I create wearable art through hand felting. I work in my studio in Salt Lake City, and let me do a little tour today and explain a little bit more about my art. Let's do the overview of this part of the studio, and then we could do a close-up and talk a little bit about all interesting things we see. This is the main material I use to create my wearable art. This is superfine merino wool. It's loose fibers. I'm pulling out a little bit out of there and shape it on a 3D template, and then use water, soap, and hand agitation until all the fibers are tangled together and create the piece. Here you can see different fibers hand dyed for the next project. This is some wool. You can see some pre-felled, tussar silk. My mom made this doll. It's like a lucky charm for the studio. There you can see some examples of my work and mannequins, my display mannequins. Fun fact, they're hand felted too and made out of fibers. Let's do the close-up to see the texture and the colors. Here's the wall hanging I did for my studio. And here's another one. They're like soft sculptures made out of fibers. Seamless and reversible. They don't have any seams or stitches, just created as the whole piece. And hand painted and hand dyed. And this is my incense table. I burn the incense pretty much every day. It's Tibetan incense to disinfect the space and against the moth. Here are some sketches of beautiful colors, inspiration of spices. And here's my color samples for dyeing and painting. And the color samples and some rewards. And let me show you one more example of my work. It combines some 3D and shibari dyed, and it's painted. It's hand painted with a brush. Let me show you more texture and the painting. Thank you so much for joining me today. Your support is very important for us artists, and I hope to see you in person at the next show. Bye bye.